Right, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, this is our exercise for today. We're just going to do two things. We're going to do a patch tool and we're going to make up a puzzle from a Photoshop file. I'll do them both in the one video. Right, so here we go. So this patch tool is very simple. It's very effective. You've got your file here. There's 3 files that you've got to do this on. I'll just do it on one for now. With the lasso tool, on this one, you sometimes make a copy of a layer, or you quite often make a copy of a layer in case you stuff it up. So we've just got the lasso tool over here. So just do a vague selection around where you want it to go. Okay, so you're just going to draw around. Okay, and really simply over here, if it's not here, you might have to hold this one down, and you want the patch tool, which is this one. Okay, in your tool palette. So click on that one, and if you drag it across, it's going to drag skin across. You can click again, you can keep doing it. So if you go across, that'll get to that one. And if you let go, it automatically redefines sort of what it thinks it's skin. There's a few little blemishes. So after the patch tool, if you go spot healing, you can go through and you can just go over that. That will just take some of the spots off. It's really simple. Okay, so there's one. Where that one comes in handy is this one. So the same again. So you'll see here. So if I just do a selection of the tattoo, you can do this with anything. Go to my patch tool under here, patch, and just drag it across. I'm going to drag up to the skin part up here. Okay, that's pretty good. And you can see it's got the glow there that it's picked up, and it's got another one of the little pimples there. So if I Command D, if I deselect it, go to my spot healing brush, and if I just click on that, it's very cleverly, if I might make the brush a bit smaller, just run over that, and it kind of gets the areas around it, and it just takes away pimples and dimples and stuff like that. There's that one. There's this one as well, the same again. There's a bit more movement in that. You'll have to sort of drag it around a few times. So just really quickly, so when you get to this one, so around here, and because it's kind of got eyes and noses and all stuff that's close to the tattoo. So this one, okay, so on that layer, so we're going to go to our patch tool. We're going to move it across up towards this one, and you can sort of see it will start to just keep moving it around until it gets close to where it's going to go. And then from that one, Command D, and you can see he's got another eye over here and all sorts of weird stuff. So go to the spot healing one, might make your brush bigger in this case, and just go that, and it will just kind of recognize somewhere it goes and fix that one up. Okay, that's one exercise, and this one will take a bit longer. This is a puzzle. This is showing you how to duplicate stuff over to different layers and transform them and rotate them around. Right, so you've got these files here. You've got this base one, and you've got the girl underneath. Okay, so we're going to make up her from all of this. So there's a few things you'll learn with this one. You've got to select stuff off this layer. So I'm going to start with this picture. You can just use the square selection here, the rectangle marquee tool. Just make a selection of her. Be on that layer, and Command J on your keyboard or Control J. What that does is that duplicates the selection to its own layer. So you've got a selection of the thing that you did. You've got this girl. So on this layer with the move tool, you've got to move that down and edit, free transform, or Command T is transform. So I'm going to make sure you hold Shift down so it goes around in a perfect circle. So you're going to move that around and just move that around, and you're going to fit that into where it goes. Okay. Then the next one, turn that layer off, turn this layer back on. I want, say, this part of the eye. So we're going to go, say, this one. So make a selection of the bottom. Where you may go wrong, you need a selection of her head, and you've got to be on the right layer. So Command J, okay, turn that one off. So I can start to turn these on again. So this one that I just made with the move tool, that's going to go up to here. Command T is transform, hold Shift, spin that around, and that's going to go in there somewhere. Okay, so that'll fit into there. Actually, very cleverly, this one is not that one. This one is this one. It goes out that way. So remember, that's the only one that you've got to, pretty sure. So you'll start to build her up. Okay, so last one, I'll do one more. So I'll do the other eye. So you've got to work out which eye you've done. So I'm going to do this one now. So this top one, that layer, grab the top one and go Command J. Okay, so turn off that one. You want to turn those on. It's all about layers. We're going to do some animation using this. So this one, Command T, we'll rotate that around. So that's the eye for this side. And you'll start to get it all, and it will fit in perfectly. And you can see that is the right one because of the hair. Okay, that's it, guys. And when you're done, we'll just do a screenshot for the visual diary, but that's it. Okay, thank you.